How to see friends' birthday in Facebook? First of all, you will have to open the Facebook app and log into your account. And from here, you will have to go with the option three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And from here, you will got a lot of options. So simply to view that, if anyone have birthday, you will have to get notified on the event section. So simply you have to go with the event. So on this event section, there is few chances to get notified when your friends has birthday. So simply for that, another method, you will have to go back from here, and from here you'll have to go with the settings, and from here you have to scroll down and go with the options notifications. So like it will be on the preference section. So simply tap on this notification, and from here you will have to go with the options birthday. So simply you have to tap on it and make sure you have allow the all of the notification for your Facebook app. So simply you have to allow on notification on Facebook. So simply you have to turn on this all settings. So from now, whenever your friend's birthday will come near, so you will get notified from Facebook. So like from here you can see the friend's birthday in Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.